I hope I cleared all the leeches. It's like very small one, we don't even feel it. Good morning guys, woke up early, was doing some editing. We had planned a trekking, so we are going down there, we'll have a cup of tea and then we'll go for the trekking. It's drizzling a bit. Thank you. Are we going through the forest? Leeches. We came through a zone full of leeches, so we had to clear off our shoes. Hopefully we got rid of most of that. It's okay. I hope I cleared all the leeches. It's like very small one, we don't even feel it. I think it will bite. And anyway, finally we reached the top spot where we had to reach. It's not a very big trek, but it was really interesting walking through the forest. We'll rest here for some time and then return. It's the same route we have to go through. Again we'll have to clear off the leeches. I was wearing that hoodies also. I thought it would be very cold. Morning it was very cold and misty when we woke up, and it was really nice. Hope you saw that part of the video. Now see, I removed my hoodies and put it into my bag. But it's really pleasant, right? Thank you. So guys, the trek was really great. We had a really good time. It was not really very challenging. It was like okay. The only problem was regarding the leeches. The leeches were a bit irritating us, but other than that it was really good. We would want to go again. Now the plan is we'll have a coffee and go to the room, freshen up, come back for the breakfast, and then nothing much for today planned. I am thinking to take some drone shots. Beautiful place. I think I should get some really good drone shots. started raining. We really didn't have any big plans for today. I thought of flying the drone to take some drone shots, but I think I'll do it tomorrow or day after tomorrow. I have another 2 days left. The clouds, man. This is a place where it rains a lot. Here goes. Amla wine. Amla is gooseberry. It's made in this farm. Guys, done with the editing of the first video. Now I am exporting it. May take another half an hour. I'll try to upload it. The connectivity is really poor. I'll have to go outside somewhere and sit and try to upload it. Let's try. If it happens, I'll upload it. Otherwise, I'll have to go back to Mysore and upload it. So guys, it's lunchtime. We'll go for lunch. Ordered some mutton curry. Usually they prepare chicken, so I thought we'll try some mutton. This is wooden cabin. It's built on stilts, but they call it as tree house. This So we are here for the lunch. Salads, nothing yet ready. Huh? What's that? What is that? Dal. Okay. Butterfruit. Wow. So we're going to have a heavy lunch. I'll have paratha. It's mutton ghee roast. It's Kerala paratha.
No, sir.
You get guests from Kerala?
Yes, sir.
You're coming,
Maximum.
no? Maximum, no? Okay. Dal curry with paratha is good, no? Mutton is good. So guys, done with day 2. I am uploading the day 1 video, but it's very slow. The internet connection is very slow. I will try to upload. If it gets uploaded, you can watch tomorrow. Otherwise, I'll be trying to upload again and again if possible, because I've done it in 4K. It's like almost 4.5 GB. Uh, it's going on, the uploading is going on. So that's all for day 2. Hope you enjoyed this trekking video. Tomorrow we have plans to go for a fishing. I don't know if it works out because there's a pond nearby. There we can do fishing and boating. Let's try that. It's in the same property, it seems. It's raining. I don't know how the weather would be. So that's all for now. This was day 2 at Chikmagalur Eagle Eye Resort. Bye. Take care.